When your Coros watch isn't syncing, it's a huge headache. I've personally experienced this exact issue and spent countless hours finding the most effective ways to fix it. And I'm here to show you exactly how to get your data flowing again. This video will help you fix Coros June 2026 feature update activity sync failed error 2026. Our first set of solutions tackles basic troubleshooting because many sync problems are just temporary communication glitches. Often a simple restart of your watch or phone or clearing the app's temporary files can resolve minor software conflicts and allow the connection to re-establish cleanly. It's like giving both devices a fresh start to talk to each other. Next, we look at software integrity. Ensuring all your Coros device firmware, the phone app, and even your phone's operating system are fully updated is crucial. Outdated software can create compatibility issues, especially after a major release like the June 2026 update, preventing proper data exchange. This method also checks permissions, making sure the Coros app has all the access it needs to send and receive data. Our third approach zeroes in on the actual data sync process. Sometimes the problem isn't with the devices themselves, but with the network or the data being transferred. This involves checking if Coros servers are online or trying to sync smaller activity files first to see if large data sets are causing the hangup. It helps us figure out if the issue is with the data itself or the path it's trying to take. Finally, we explore advanced reset options. If simpler fixes don't work, a soft or hard reset of your Coros watch can clear out deeper software corruption or stubborn settings that are blocking the sync. This brings your device back to a clean, default state, often resolving persistent and complex software problems that accumulate over time. These steps are designed to cover every angle to get your Coros activities syncing flawlessly.